Hi guys, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my recipe children's special snack Katori chaat. Take 1 cup of black chana and soak 6 hours. Then remove the water. After soaking, remove the water. Then transfer to cooker or any loose vessel. And add 2 cups of water. Then close the cooker and cook 5 to 6 whistles. Add little bit salt if you want. Now I am going to preparing tamarind chutney, that is a sweet chutney. Take a handful of tamarind and put 1 cup of hot water, then leave it for 15 minutes, then grind it until smooth paste. Then strain the tamarind in a kadai. If so thick, add half cup of tamarind soaked juice or water. Then strain the tamarind. Then pour this kadai on the stove. Add half cup of jaggery. Mix well. Once boiled, it will little bit thickens. Take 1 potato and peel it, then chop nicely. Then add it to water and boil it. Our tamarind juice is boiling. Now add all masalas: fennel powder 1 teaspoon, roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Then mix well. It will be fastly thickens. A tamarind or sweet chutney is ready. Then let it cool. Now going to preparing green chutney. Take equal quantity of coriander leaves and mint leaves and green chili, ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. I am using black salt here. Little bit hing. Then half lemon, squeeze it. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of save and 2 tablespoons of water. Then grind nicely. If it will be very thick, add 2 tablespoons of water. Then shake well. Then transfer to bowl. Now take half cup of maida, 1 tablespoon of rice flour or corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of hot oil. Then mix well. Add 1 cup of water. Mix batter. Batter should be like this. Now dip a ladle. Use 2 ladles here. Then now oil should be high heat. On high flame only we should fry it. It will be take few seconds. Take a help of a spoon or knife. Then fry 2 sides until crispy. Now use the second ladle. Do not use hot ladle on the floor or batter. Now katori is ready. Now preparing time. Make how many katoris you want, that much you can fry it. Now add potato, boiled potato, and add boiled chana. Chopped onion. It will be like a street style as it is. Now add sweet curd. I just added sugar in the curd. 2 tablespoons of sugar for 1 cup of curd. And transfer to a bowl. Sweet chutney. Add a half teaspoon of sweet chutney. And green chutney. And again add few chopped onions, chopped tomato. It will be colorful. And chopped coriander. Little bit is enough. Now add roasted cumin powder, chaat masala, and chili powder. Just sprinkle it, and black salt. Is enough masala. And if you have pomegranate seeds, you can add. It will be good, give good color. Then add little bit. If katori is having a space, you can add one more time curd, onion, and finally save. Now katori chaat is ready. Just taste it. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.